names with English translation. Kalabaw, in English, carabao. Carabao. Pusa is cat. Cat. Ibon is bird. Bird. Aso is dog. Dog. Baka is cow. Cow. Leon is lion. Lion. Tigre is tiger. Tiger. Kabayo is horse. Horse. Elepante is elephant. Elephant. Unggoy is monkey. Monkey. Daga is rat. Rat. Kuwago is owl. Owl. Tupa is sheep. Sheep. Conejo is rabbit. Rabbit. Camello is camel. Camel. Usa is deer. Deer. Buaya is crocodile. Crocodile. Manok is chicken. Chicken. Baboy is pig. Pig. Ahas is snake. Snake. Bibe is duck. Duck. Pating is shark. Shark. Pagong is turtle. Turtle. Ballena is whale. Whale. Águila is eagle. Eagle. Magkita tayo muli. Goodbye!